Have you ever thought of text blasting instead of cold calling? Many people today's day and age love text messaging. They hate answering up the phone. They hate speaking on the phone. Regardless if they're at work or not, they will answer a text almost at any time of the day. So this leads me to Launch Control. Launch Control is actually a texting app that you could batch leads and send them out in a blast text message. You could send them out in 50, 100, and 150 text message groups, and you could email blast instead to make sure they actually answer the phone, but now they just have to text you back. Now, this is great for multiple different users. This could be the investor who is a wholesaler looking to potentially get clients to answer if they're interested in selling because they're not answering the phone. This could also be for realtors that are looking to text expired listings, for sale by owners, or just farming in the area if anybody's actually interested in thinking about selling their home. One of the great features also is it automatically will put them on a drip campaign if you want, where they can now, if they're not answering, constantly get reminders and text from you, and then eventually they will answer and hopefully turn that into a deal. So what's your thoughts on text blasting rather than cold calling or email blasting?